professor at Berkeley. Pop your collar. They are a genre blending sound. So it's like Owl City meets Clean Bandit meets K-pop. So some interesting stuff, yeah. They also do playback audio engineering for Lizzo, Ariana Grande, Dua Lipa. I don't know, they were kind of shy for me saying that because they're not supposed to talk about it. Super secret top stuff.
Are they cool?
Yes, yeah.
Well, she's cooler, okay? That's all you gotta know. They're super dynamic live electronic performance duos. We got dreamy synths, punchy drum machines, crystal clear vocals. Guys, please help me welcome to the stage, Daltrek!
How's it going? So, thank you, Kayla, for that super kind introduction. I always feel like that's like one of the most awkward parts for like any artist. Just kind of standing here and do the thing. But yeah, my name is Daltrek. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, we'll have a lot of that time. Let me introduce that. But yeah, so I do a lot of live electronic music, as you can see. I use these instruments that, oh wow, this is very New York. We have like a siren outside. Fantastic. I should process that. No, anyway. But yeah, so I love doing live electronic music. Started off as a classical piano player, but now I do a lot of music with the setup that I have over here. And yeah, happy to answer questions later actually. If anyone has questions about gear, I love talking about that. But gonna do a couple of originals for y'all today, maybe one cover later, and we may have a guest joining us, so I won't spoil too much, although some of you may have kind of seen what was going on later. There's a saxophone here. But yeah, I wanted to kick things off with a tune called Little Try. For a bit more context, one of the things that I do a lot of, apart from teaching and making music as an artist, is I work a lot with communities, and I have this project that happens every 2 years called Colors of Us, where I work with young women in Queens, specifically, that's where I live. And we use music tech as a tool for empowerment, and they get to make music about stuff that they want to make. So I'm really into that. Using music technology as a way to empower folks in a lot of my teaching as well. So this is Little Try. Hope you enjoy it. If I had a dollar for every time somebody told me that I should keep my quiet, I'd stay in a mansion, be living the life. Count the days when I know that it's not right. And doing it easy doesn't mean it's a bad play. You gotta believe me when I say what I want to say. Hey, speak out, let them hear it all. This is the way you've answered to the call. So make your choice and raise your voice. You see now, you can break the wall. Isn't it worth it even if you fall? 'Cause a little try could change it all. A little try could change it all. If I had a ledger with every line, writing the names that I know have made alive, I'd stay in the library like that of people who inspired. But there's gotta be more to read than page to page of why. And doing it easy doesn't mean it's a bad play. You gotta believe me when I say what I want to say. Hey, speak out, let them hear it all. And this is the way you've answered to the call. So make a choice and raise your voice. You see now, you can break the wall. Isn't it worth it even if you fall? 'Cause a little try could change it all. Little try could change it all. change it. Speak out, let him hear it all. This is the way you've answered to the call. So make a choice and raise your voice. You see now you can break the wall. Here's when you're worth it, even if you fall. 'Cause a little try could change it all. So that was the tune called Little Try. Hope you enjoyed that. I should also say that today, sometimes for sofars, I know a couple of folks have been to sofars before, others haven't, but for me personally as an artist, and I know a lot of other sofar artists do this too, we like using it as like a testing ground. So all of these tracks haven't been released yet. Ooh! But if you follow me, on socials and stuff, I will have songs, new music coming out very soon, so I hope that you enjoy it. Well, actually, I just said that, but I lied. Oops. This next one is actually one that I've performed before, but as I was planning the set list for today, I thought it might be nice to, wrap up the year with a song that was very near and dear to my heart, a bit of a throwback. So this was from the very first iteration of, that community album that I mentioned doing with the young woman. And yeah, it's a song called Proud. But it's one that we wrote kind of collectively as a group. And for more context, I think a lot of these young women and non-binary teens were teenagers, youth, and I feel like for a lot of folks, when you're growing up at that age, myself included, you kind of have this issue of kind of with your family, especially, it's like, do you make them proud? So that was kind of our thesis statement, if you will, for the song. And for me particularly, it's almost a little bit of a complex that I still kind of have. It's such a struggle to face that. But for context, I originally came from Singapore, and I moved here for college, and I'm the only child in my family, as well as the only grandchild. So when I told my parents that I wanted to do music professionally, it was like, you can imagine like the terrible shit show that happened, very frankly. But thankfully they're very supportive now. Yes, we believe people can change. Yeah, things are gonna happen. But in any case, I wanted to share this song with y'all. Here is Proud. Hope you like it. No to silence, used to feel this lonely. Tripping over wires in the hope that you call me. Work through day and night, burn up all this time. Growing up and I've learned what you want is a trophy. If I could see you face to face, would you still call me? Heart is great. So what's a girl gotta do to be loved for a minute? Whole show starts hitting hard, I can't win it. Words that you choose not to say are the words of love. So do I make you proud? Could you love me somehow? Ay? Do I make you feel glad I'm yours, or are you mad I can't be the perfect one now? Do I make you proud? Think I'm way too young. I should bite my tongue, ready to pull it tighter, but you really don't know me. If I could see you face to face, would you still call me? Heart is grace. So what's a girl gotta do to be loved for a minute? Whole shoulder starts hitting hard, I can't win it. Words that you choose not to say are the words of love. So do I make you proud? Could you love me somehow? Ay? Do I make you feel glad I'm yours, or are you mad I can't be the perfect one now? Do I make you proud? Do I make you mentioned just now, so far it's like such a wonderful opportunity to get to know the audience better, get to experience a night together here at Virgin Hotels. Let's give it up for Virgin Hotels for hosting us. So this next part of the live set, again, as we're wrapping up the year, I was kind of thinking, how do I want my last show of the year to go? And so I asked my partner, who is a sax player, Jesse, to play with me. So please give it up for Jesse Numbers, everyone. Cool. So Jesse's just gonna get situated, but while he does, I'll talk about the next tune that we're gonna do. This is another original of mine as well. And I wrote this, I wrote this at the start of 2024, which is kind of crazy. I did this as a part of a one-day songwriting challenge that I did with an organization called Club Passim that's based in Boston. And it was, oh wow, do people know Club Passim? Well, not great. And they support a lot of local artists, which is great, but also independent songwriters across the US and also internationally too. So they host a lot of like songwriting camps, activities. And this was one of the songs that came from a workshop or a day that was like, write 10 songs in one day. And it was on January the 1st, which was kind of a little bit insane. But it was a really great way to get the year started and kind of set the tone, really. And so one of the songs that I wrote that day was this song called Grow. And it's kind of inspired by just the idea of growing with yourself or with your friends and family, those who mean a lot to you. So hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Tree in your garden just for me. Water it in my memory. Don't forget my heart if I leave your hand alone. Grow your favorite flower, see it bloom. Petals will blossom way too soon. But won't you let them show? Oh, let your garden grow. My mama once said to me, all things will come to let go of the bad times, cause even the good times can never truly last. My papa said best believe this life will move too fast. Tomorrow will chase you, try to reach you, cutting through the looking glass. The planet seeds could start anew, so here's my ask. Spend a little more time to see it through. Now won't you grow a tree in your garden just for me? Water it in my memory. And don't forget my heart if I leave your hair alone. Grow your favorite flower, see it bloom. Petals will blossom way too soon. But won't you let them show? Oh, let your garden grow. It really only takes a spark to make a fire rage. You gotta be patient, keep on waiting for the light to see its day. It isn't for the faint of heart to face it and be brave. When the world around you's falling down to dust, it feels too late. But planet seeds can start anew, so what do you say? Please spend a little more time to see it through. Now won't you grow a tree in your garden just for me? Water it in my memory. And don't forget my heart if I leave your called Grow. Hope you enjoyed it. It's come to the point in the night where I do a cover. So I usually like doing a cover in the middle of my set just to make me feel happy too. I really like doing originals, but I love doing covers as well. And this next tune is from one of the artists that Kayla mentioned just now, who I worked with. So earlier in the year, I got the chance to work with Dua Lipa, who we love. Oh yay, Dua Lipa fans, that's great. And this was around the time where she was doing her new album, Radical Optimism, that just came out earlier this year, which was a really fun project. And I got a chance to jump in with like her live production team, and I remember when we listened to these songs that were like unreleased, and I got so nervous because I was like, if this leaks, we're all gonna get fired. Ooh. But thankfully nobody got fired, which is great. But anyway, so this is probably my favorite tune off of the album. It's called Illusion, and Jesse again has graciously agreed to accompany me on this one. So, ready? Here we go. To miss a red flag. I've been known to put my lover on the pedestal. In the end, those things just don't last. And it's time I take my rose-colored glasses off. I already know your type, telling me the things I like. Showing me the spotlight, taking me for a ride. I already know your type, they can play your cards right. Don't you know I could do this dance all night? What you doing? Don't know why you're feeling so confusing. I mean, it's amusing. You think I'm gonna fall for Was a time when I should not have worked. Was a time when I just threw a match and let it burn. Now I'm grown, I know what I deserve. I still like dancing with the lessons I already learned. I already know your type, telling me the things I like. Trying to make me spotlight, taking me for a ride. I already know your type, they can play your cards right. Don't you know I could do this dance all night? What you doing? I don't know why you're feeling so confusing. I be like, it's amusing. You think I'm gonna fall for illusion. I really like the way you're moving. Yeah, I just wanna dance with the illusion. Yeah, I just wanna dance with. Yeah, I just wanna dance with. I could dance all night. What you doing? I don't know why you're feeling so confusing. I be like, it's amusing. You think I'm gonna fall for what you doing? I don't know why you're feeling so confusing. I be like, it's amusing. You think I'm gonna fall for illusion. Yeah, Jesse! Wasn't that solo killing? Yay! Thank you. I'm so lucky that I get to, have a partner who like celebrates music with me as well. So, yay! Great. So, my friends, thank you so much for coming tonight. It's come to the time in my set where I'm going to do one more song. So, really appreciate all of you being here again. Thank you so much. By the front, y'all may have passed a table while y'all were checking in. I do have some merch. It's not huge stuff, but it's stickers, because I love a good sticker. You can guess from my laptop, there's a lot of stickers there. But yeah, if you'd like to get a Doll Trick sticker, please feel free to head over there. We've got like a lot of different varieties of stickers. If you would like, oh, Jesse's actually headed over there now. Oh, I'm so lucky. Wow, how sweet. But yeah, if you would like a sticker from the back where Jesse is, you can get a sticker there. And yeah, I'd love to say hi to folks after this, so please come say hi. This last tune that I'm about to do is, again, also one that's very dear to my heart, given this, kind of closing show. This is going to be my last show of the year before I take some time off and get some decompression and going. I know, right? And I wish the same for everybody here. I know we're all like doing so much in our lives, so hope you get some downtime during the holiday season. Yeah, so this is one that I kind of do somewhat for just always for funsies at the end of my live set, because it's probably one of my favorite tunes that I've produced and written. And I pretty much do like everything as like a DIY, like one woman show sort of situation where I write and I produce, perform everything on my own. So sometimes it does get a little bit like overwhelming, but it's, when I get to release music and share it with folks like y'all, it really makes it so worth it. So again, thank you so much for being here tonight. So this last tune, it's called Destiny, and I hope you enjoy it too. Sticks and stones couldn't break your bones, and words could hit you hard. Darkness grows and pulls you close when daylight seems too far. Where's the strength to find it hiding deep within my mind? There's a voice that's singing in my memory. The spirit's calling me, the angels watching me. Spread your wings and make the dream reality. Be what you're meant to be, you're meant to be. You are your destiny. Make you fold and smoke gets in your eyes. And the days when hearts gone cold, when no one feels inside. Set the flame alive, it's burning deep within my night. There's a voice that's singing in my memory. The spirit's calling me, the angels watching me. Spread your wings and make the dream reality. Be what you're meant to be, you're meant to be. You are your destiny. There's a voice that's
freaking pad?
That's a great question. Well, I'm so glad you mentioned guitar, because maybe this is a quick thing that I'll share, but like I mentioned, I started off as a pianist, but then this is kind of my main instrument now, but you can pretty much do all the different kinds of chords on it, so when you were hearing me do that thing just now, that was me doing this vocoder part. And then yeah, just like, kind of playing different kinds of sounds.
I'm gonna have to get one of those for the
Yeah.
show, so I could do that with my voice. You think so far I gave you one of those? Yeah, I figured. Well, that was amazing. That last song was really awesome. I think that was my favorite song, yeah. Where can we find you on the Instagrams and stuff?
Yeah, so you can find me at Dolltrick. My artist name is all lowercase letters, DOLLTR CK, but on socials it's DOLLTRICK. So, yeah, oh yes, the sign, I forget. Anyway, here's the sign. Shout out to my partner Jesse, he got this for me for Valentine's Day a couple days ago.
Jesse!
He's the sweetest.
Love is real! Yes, Jesse. Aww. Love is real, y'all. Love prevails. Shout out, Jesse. Well, guys, give it up one more time for Dolltrick. This is Claire and Jesse, our amazing partner at saxophonist. Guys, we have one more artist tonight, so please stick around. It's gonna be crazy. You guys have been great so far. And again, don't be shy. Please support the merch table back there. And please talk to the artists, If you have some cool questions, like how I had crazy questions, but I still have more questions about this. This is honestly crazy. But please, support our artists. Any videos you shoot, tag us too, So Far NYC. I'll see you back in about 5 to 10 minutes. So if you're grabbing a drink, I'll have wine. Thank you.